Hey everybody, Kyle Windjack here, and today we're going to talk about scale degrees. So scale degrees are a very important concept when improvising or transposing or just playing music in general. It's very helpful to know this information. But in order to get the full benefit of knowing your scale degrees, you need to know them really well without hesitating or having to think about it. So today I'm going to give you one simple exercise that's going to help you do just that. A major scale has only 7 notes before it starts to repeat itself. For example, in the key of C, you have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then you're at C again. When you assign each of these notes a number, they're called scale degrees, and it makes it really easy to take something you've learned and play it in a different key. So essentially, you're learning 12 times faster when you master this scale. Let's start just by working on the first 3 notes of the C major scale. So C is 1, D is 2, and E is 3. And the way this exercise is going to work is I'm going to set a metronome to 120 BPM. I'll call out a number on beat 1 of the bar. On beat 1 of the next bar, you have to tell me what note that is. After we've done that a few times, we'll speed it up so that I'm still calling the number on beat 1, but the response comes on beat 3. Alright, let's give it a go. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3. If you did well with that, let's add in the 4th and the 5th, which in the key of C are F and G. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 5, 4, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1. And finally, let's do that same process with the whole scale now. 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 4, 5, 3, 6, 7, 1, 2, 5, 6, 3, 1, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 2, 5, 4, 7, 6, 5, 8, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 2, 3, 6, 8, 7, 3, 2, 5. So that's it. Pretty simple, but very effective. And you should practice this in all 12 keys to get the full benefit. I go into more detail into this in my course. So if you're interested in that, you can find more info using the link in the description. I'd also recommend doing these exercises playing the notes on your instrument as well. Comment below any lessons you'd like to see me do in the future, and thanks for tuning in. See you soon.